500, la dolce vita. It's a really cute car. You want to cuddle it. In Germany we call it Knutschkugel. Knutschen, like you just want to kiss it. The sun is shining, you've got the wind blowing in your hair, and of course you have a Fiat 500. It all matches together. It's such a typical Italian car. It's just a car you totally fall in love with, and it's fun driving. This is the typical Italian flair, the Italian feeling, la dolce vita. The sun is shining, and isn't it gorgeous? So here I am in Italy on a little road trip from Milano to Torino. The purpose of my trip? I'm visiting the Puma factory as I'm about to get my very own tailor-made Unbore race suit. And here's the man who will tell me all about the process of making one, Maurizio Sicco.
Hello, finally here. Ciao,
finally.
nice to meet you.
Wonderful
finally
being here.
Perfect.
So we're talking about race suits today,
Yep.
and I'm very curious to find out how you actually get started with everything.
You are in the right place. Okay, so from the very beginning we start from the measurement chart of the driver, you can see. And then
Sebastian Vettel, we all know him.
I think so. Then we have the design of the suit we have to follow, that we get from the team.
Yeah.
And here what Michela is doing the real pattern on the real measurement of Sebastian.
Okay, just quickly, why is it 90 years? Is this a special
It's
edition?
a special edition for Canada Grand Prix.
So you don't have a lot of time?
No, as usual, so but that's
You're
life.
used to it?
Yes.
All right.
And
Okay.
this is the positioning of the logo on the real suit.
Oh, wow. So let me guess, the next step is going to be going over into the factory to see how
To
they
the
produce
factory,
it?
I will show you how the factory will take this, and they will cut the real fabric following all the instruction.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's go.
Cool.
And I can show you more in detail everything. Here we have the stitching line.
Okay.
You can see all the single pieces are stitching it together. We have different layers of the suits, so we have to keep all layers of the suits stitched together.
So how many people do you have here just working for the stitching?
We have 7 people working for the stitching.
Okay.
Yeah, and consider we are doing 2,000 suits per year. So, but it's not a bulk production, and we do 3-4 suits each time. Together is a lot for us.
Yeah,
so
wow.
because our custom made in terms of logo, custom made in terms of measurement, as you saw before, and it's a bit like to do proto every day than do an industrial production.
Wow.
That's what is a big difference.
So every single part is handmade and everything is,
Yes,
wow.
exactly.
And why would you say, I mean, why is it here in Italy? I mean, there are also a lot of other companies here. Why? What is it about Italy?
Because they start years ago making this racewear, and so we grow a lot of people, suppliers, and we call it the Silicon Valley of racewear.
What are like the big names whom you're making suits for?
We are making suits for the biggest Formula One. We did 5 world champions in a row with Hamilton. We did for Vettel, we did for Alonso. We did also for Schumacher when he go back to Formula One in Mercedes. And then in past we do also something for rally. We did the Sebastian Loeb for rally.
Ah, okay.
That was a world champion. Then,
there he is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we did Kimi Raikkonen 2007. He won the world champion. So
Wow.
we have a good record about.
So the big
winning
names,
stuff.
you got them.
Yeah.
I mean, you've got Red Bull,
Mercedes
Petronas, Mercedes,
and Ferrari.
and Ferrari.
Talking about Formula One. Then
Yeah.
we have DTM, BMW.
BMW, yeah.
And then this year we got Porsche, which is
That's big.
big, really
That's
big.
very,
yes,
very big.
Very big, yes.
And I heard also the W series, right?
Yes.
You did, and did you make all the suits for all the ladies?
Yeah, we did all the suits for the lady. So I had the nice opportunity to go to measurement each girls. It was good, it was funny.
So what exactly makes your suit so very special, so unique?
Yeah, I can show you some details that make a small details what make the difference. So first of all, the weight of the suits. This suit's weight is 700 grams. You can feel it.
That's nothing.
Yes.
My DTM suit is a lot heavier.
For sure, for sure.
Wow, okay. This is a proper racing suit.
Yeah, this is the Valtteri Bottas suit. So this is the real one. So we work on a lot of different details that at the end make the difference.
Yeah.
So I can show you something strange. We are taking care about getting rid of weight of the suit.
Yeah.
For example, the standard zipper for a suit is like this, and this puller zip is heavy, and we put this one, and this is we can save 2 grams.
That's 2 grams.
2 grams for the engineer, Formula 1 engineer, makes a huge difference.
Yeah?
Yeah, because they say when you do a curve at 2 or 3G, 2 grams is 6 grams. It's not anymore 2 grams. So every single bit counts a lot.
Okay.
For example, other example, we are making holes on the Velcro here. Again, to gain some tens of grams.
You're joking. This really makes a difference also?
Everything makes a small difference.
It all adds up.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
And this is actually a suit that is going out to this race driver?
Yes, probably tomorrow we have to ship for Canada Grand Prix.
And like how many, for example, in a season, like in a Formula 1 season, how many suits do they need?
Each driver, they order close to 40 suits per year.
40?
Yes.
For what? They have what, like almost 20 races, 19 races, something like that?
They first of all, when they win a race or do something, they give away the suit for gift to the crew or somebody or some VIP guest and so on.
Wow, I didn't know that.
They want to be sure they have the suits brand new for the Sunday, and then for the practice, the used one. And then there are also some logistic stuff like Formula 1 sends from the team, they send all over the world with different air freight or ship or so. They need a lot of suits.
Okay, so basically they never wash one and wear it again. I think you can say, probably.
Could be, but not exactly.
But it's so light, it's amazing.
Yeah, let's go to the other department. Yeah.
Hold on a second.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is our Hall of Fame. This is an old suit we did since 2004 in this factory.
Wow.
Yes, and then we have also all the picture of the champions.
That's
also the
amazing. And
special editions.
A baby Nico Rosberg up there in 2006. He looks like baby face.
Also Felipe. Quite young.
Everybody. Oh wow, this
we
is
have
really
also
fascinating.
Vita somewhere. Very, very young.
And these are all the suits you made?
Yes.
What's the one here? Michael Schumacher? That looks interesting.
A special edition Michael wanted for Monaco Grand Prix with a special design, which was probably a copy from his helmet. Or there was 7 stars, like the 7 World Championship.
Yeah.
And she won something very unique.
Oh wow.
And after a couple of races, Massa as well, he wanted a special suit, so he wanted with the Brazilian.
So now it's green and yellow.
Yeah.
Oh wow. So what? So back then any driver could say, "Hey, I want a special edition, no problem."
This is why the main sponsor, Philip Morris, said, "Guys, now stop the story."
All right. So now let's move on to the next department.
This way.
Wow. What's all this?
This is the fabric warehouse. This is our fireproof fabric, which is quite delicate in terms of resistance to the sunlight. This is why you see everything wrapped with black plastic. Yes.
All right, that's interesting. Oh, look, pink. Careful. I love pink. This would be my color.
Let's go.
I love pink.
This is the embroidery department. I can show you some machine working. Maybe you know this logo.
Oh yeah, BMW.
Yes.
Of course.
So this is fresh done embroidered.
Can I just feel it?
Yeah.
It's amazing how smooth this actually is.
Because it's a matter of how we design the file and how many stitches we do and the way we do the stitches.
How many stitches do you do for a logo
this
like that?
This embroidery is 29,000 stitches.
So 29,000, the needle goes in and out.
Exactly. And every single needle got a different colors. So the machine
okay.
will move and the needle go up and
So
down.
here we see the needles. For example, it's blue, it's red. Very, very cool. So now I want to see the machine in action.
Yeah, yeah. I can show you over there. It automatically. There is a cutting knife.
Unbelievable. Can I put my finger there?
Yeah. Okay. No. So, please, this is the printing department where they take care about all the logo which are printed, because in Formula One we have to print the logo again because of the weight.
Oh,
So
okay.
embroidered logo are too heavy and printed are lighter.
I see.
So in one suit we can gain 70 grams, which is a lot for engineers.
So much.
Yes. So
And this is Max Verstappen.
this is Max. Yes.
Yeah. It looks so small.
Yeah, the mannequin
looks
is
a
not
little bit,
exactly is not exactly Max, but yeah, easy. This is the right size. Yes.
Yeah.
It's very thin. It's very
Yeah.
skinny.
Tall
Yeah,
but
yeah.
skinny.
Yeah.
I love the neon, it's really cool. A Formula One driver usually has like 40 race suits in
Yeah.
one season. How long does it take to actually make one of them? And once you know where all the logos are and you've done that, how long does it take to produce this one?
It depends if we are in a rush, as often happen. They ask for last minute change.
Yeah.
In 2 days we can do
Really?
everything. Yeah. When they change and they put Max instead of Fiat,
Yeah.
they told us maybe could happen, be ready. So we immediately produced 6 suits
Okay.
for Max in a rush in 1 week.
Very, very cool.
And here you can see this is the software that is used to handle the embroidery and the position of the suits. So you can see here the cut lines of the suits with the different colors. This is stripes and these are embroidery. And this is the file of the embroidery machine.
So basically now we've seen everything.
Yes,
Is this the moment when I get to see my race suits?
I think so. If we go back in the office,
Yes.
could be
Of course,
ready. I
I'm
don't know if you're
curious.
ready, because I don't know if we gave you priority or not, but we'll see.
Hopefully.
We'll see. We'll
All right,
see.
well.
Okay,
Grazie.
let's go.
Perfect.
Grazie. Ciao, grazie. You can check by yourself. We have some ready today, so you
Okay.
can check if something is ready or not.
Bottas, Hamilton, Bottas.
No.
Here's more. Hamilton.
It is.
You got it ready?
Yeah.
All right. So here's my suit.
Shaking.
Oh wow, my very own Unbore race suit. This is so cool.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is very, very
Now
cool.
you have to try it.
Now I have to try it.
Of
Hopefully
course.
it fits. All right, let's try it.
Finger crossed.
Hey Mauricio, what do you think?
Wow, fantastic.
Is it cool?
Yeah, it look nice.
I love it. Thank you so
Perfect.
much.
Thank you.
I
Thank you.
absolutely adore it. Now I have
Good.
one more question, one
Yeah?
final question. If somebody of the viewers wants to have a suit like this, is it possible to actually get your own suit, and
Of
how much
course.
would it cost?
Of course, it's enough to go to our website, and you can find suits from 8,000 to 1.5 thousand.
Okay.
So we have 2 different range of price, and you can have one as yours. Yes.
So everybody else can also make their dream come true like me, because I really love it.
Exactly.
By the
Yeah.
way, I cannot wait to get into my car with a suit. That's my car here. Of course, it's typical Italiano. You probably have one like that too, right?
Actually, I have something more iconic. I
Oh,
have
yeah?
2 old-timer car. One of the 2 is a Spider, so maybe I can show it if you want.
Can
you
I
want
see it?
Really?
I would love to see it.
Let's go.
Yeah, cool. All right.